Hey everybody, we're going to go ahead and roll right into this one, but while that's going, I'd like to make a couple of notes. First off, out of respect, I want to give a quick shout out to Soul Food number 7, that's N-O-7, for giving me the general idea on how to do circles. I've been wanting to try that out for a little while now, as well as to Acrylic Pouring art KaMaMi, hopefully I said that right, for inspiring me to retry out my neon paints after the first time around and kind of not getting great results with them. I also feel it's important to point out that this painting here is mostly just a concept test. It's not one I would actually try and sell to anybody or consider really a proper work. I've worked with these neon paints before and just wasn't happy with them, and so this time I didn't want to mix anything with them, just that way I could get a better baseline on how they work, so that way I can figure out how to use them better in the future, which thanks to this painting I already have, and have a nice finished one that I didn't get the chance to record because I had to make that one pretty quick and in a hurry. However, definitely going to be working with the neons a little bit more, opposed to when I originally was just going to not ever touch them really again. So that's awesome. As well as lastly, I'd like to apologize a little bit for the abrupt music change later at the end of the video. I know it could probably be a little bit startling if you're not expecting that. As well as if you don't like techno music, you might not be the biggest fan of it. But it was just kind of part of the fun I was going for with this video. This whole video is just mostly about having some fun with the paint and editing, but I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet for the rest of it and let you enjoy.